Welcome, this is the Unit 7 Review Sheets tutorial solution for the spring. In this problem, I will be covering number 4. Number 4 scenario is Juan, who is 1.8 meters tall, can see the top of the Eiffel Tower reflected on a mirror when he stands 2.75 feet meters away. The Eiffel Tower is 500 meters away from the mirror. What is the height of the Eiffel Tower in this situation? So what we're doing is we're setting up two triangles. Here, the first one is going to be the Eiffel Tower scenario. And then the other one is going to be Juan's point of view. So this is going to be the tower. So the tower, we don't know its height, so we can just use h there. And we know its base or its distance is 500 meters. Then we see the student Juan. This is Juan. We know Juan is 1.8 meters tall, and he is 2.75 away, and this is Juan. Notice these are right triangles that we can now compare. So, like before, we are going to compare the tower to Juan. And here we can go height divided by the distance. Okay, so the ratios, we're going to do the height of the tower divided by the distance of the tower is equal to Juan's height divided by Juan's distance. So now we can plug it in. The height of the tower, which is our unknown, h, divided by its distance, which is 500. That's going to be equal to Juan's height, which is 1.8, divided by the distance Juan is away, which is 2.75. Now we can cross multiply h times 2.75 and 500 times 1.8. H times 2.75 is equal to 1.8 times 500. Let's do that in a calculator. This gets you 2.75h is equal to 1.8 times 500. That gets you 900 here. You have to divide by 2.75 to both sides to solve. This cancels to just a 1, so that just gets you an h. 900 divided by 2.75. That gets you roughly here, because I'm rounding, 3.27.272727. So you can just leave it as 327.27, or you can say 3.27 to the 3 if you round to nearest tenths, right? Okay, so there you go. And that is how you do number 4.